67 miles an hour, go down the highway. Can't really hear it too much. You can hear it when I punch it. You can hear that there's exhaust back there, but it's not like a droning, annoying sound in the cab. I'm pretty sure if I turn the radio on, you couldn't even hear it. Radio's on 16, which isn't very high at all. You can't even hear the exhaust anymore. Radio off, air conditioner off. Really, no drone, so. But I mean, if I goose it, you can hear it. I'll get the car out of the way. Yeah, I don't think it's too drony or too annoying, but I mean, I do have a long bed and everything, so maybe that helps out a little bit. I don't know. Sounds good to me.